Internships have been the utmost importance for gaining work experience for freshers, which is indeed the most important aspect of corporate life. In today's world, each business is searching for the best applicant with maximum work experiences. Getting a degree isn't sufficient for us to make sure that we secure a great job. Hence, internships play a crucial role during placements. An intern position is a period of time for undergrads when we are given a chance to apply all our knowledge and skills practically. During these difficult times of COVID-19, when many people were losing their jobs, internship opportunities were revoked, I lost a chance to go to the Georgia Institute of Technology as a research scholar. I started applying for internships all over until one day I received an email from the placement cell Bennett University stating that I have been placed for an 8-week as a web development intern at Quadwave Consulting Private Limited, which uses Amper. Quadwave is a global services company that helps clients transform their businesses in the areas of business process management, product development, building and energy management, and technology services like Java, web, open source, and Microsoft. It is a Microsoft Gold certified partner and has clients in India, Europe, the USA, and the Middle East with a mission to help the businesses realize their technology dreams through creativity and integrity. AmperAXP Inc. is a US based product company headquartered in California for the development of its flagship product, Amper, of which Quadwave Bangalore is a solutions partner. Amper is an application acceleration platform that creates, builds, and deploys complex applications with minimalistic coding, enabling the creation of blockchain, AI/ML, big data, streaming data, IoT, web, and many more using a virtual drag and drop environment. I brushed up my HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery, which was a prerequisite for any web dev internship. Starting from the third week of May, I was trained to use Amper on daily Skype sessions. The trainers made me familiar with their platform, did basic form changes, connected the database with the process flows, added SMTP to send automated emails, and performed DB CRUD operations to manipulate the data as per user's wish. Here is a simple example of a process flow which is made using the Amper, which is product of AmperAXP. To begin with, I was taught to create forms using a simple drag and drop. Following is a form that I created for Amper for user details modification. I was then assigned to make the process flows like the internship registration forms, charts, leave request and approve forms, newsletter subscriptions, and was being taught the advanced features of Amper simultaneously and were made familiar with a lot of different components that can be used to create an impactful yet simplistic user interface. These components are highly customizable, be it configuration or validation or the look and feel of it without even writing a single line of code, which is also known as visual programming. To make the form more aesthetic, appealing, and beautiful, there is an option of adding CSS and JavaScript to the form. The following are the samples of how to add CSS and JS to your drag and drop form and customize it as and when you want. Here is an example of a lookup component. It is used to autofill the data into the fields, deriving this information from the database. The process after validation and deployment can be viewed by the people or roles who are permitted to access the workflow in Amper Workspace. After the form is filled and the task is submitted and completed, an instance is created which shows step-by-step processes of the workflow. The green sign shows that the node is successful, blue indicates that the task is still in progress, and the red alerts that the node has failed to do its job. By the end of 7 weeks, I was able to gain command and confidence with the Amper platform and gradually became a point of contact for all the doubts my fellow interns had. This made me solve not only my problems that I faced but also learn from their mistakes. The last week was a bit hectic as I was teamed up with fellow interns for an internship project, accounts payable system. This is a form that automatically loads data as you select the entities from the drop-downs. We were asked to add a table where all the pending requests can be seen. It was not a difficult task, but I was not available for contribution. My teammates overdid their work to compensate for me, and we all presented our project to the Quadwave team the next day by creating a site. This summer has been tough for all of us. It surely was not as I expected. Apart from the technical work done, it was most valuable to experience in a working corporate workspace. It showed me a new side of corporates, making it the best internship experience I could ever ask for in this lockdown. I thank AmperAXP, Quadwave, the placement cell of Bennett University for providing me with this amazing opportunity. I also thank Dr. Deepak Garg for inspiring me to make this video. I hope you guys like it.